writer, composer, music teacher, orchestra and choir conductor. Axalis was Namibia's first post-independent black conductor of the Namibian National Symphony Orchestra and author of the Namibian National Anthem. Born in Okahandja in 1954, he got exposed to music during his school years when he started taking piano lessons at the historically significant Martin Luther High School. After high school, Joseph got an opportunity to study in Germany, where he completed his first degree in music. Later on, he traveled to Marlborough in the United Kingdom, where he obtained his Bachelor of Arts. Having composed, among other things, liturgy for the Evangelical Lutheran Church in Namibia, his career in composition remains impressive. Over the course of several decades, Joseph has been asked to compose school songs for different institutions and also served as a chairperson of a committee tasked with composing an anthem for the African Union in Addis Ababa, Ethiopia. While his work across different sectors in music and arts has been recognized around the world, Joseph probably remains most recognized for composing the song Namibia, Land of the Brave, which in 1991 was officially recognized as the country's national anthem. Namibia, Land of the Brave represents the history of Namibia and its resilient people. It describes their will to survive, often in the face of adversity, and, most importantly, their love for their country and their nation. In 2014, Joseph received a Lifetime Achievement Award at the Namibian Annual Music Awards. He remains an important figure in Namibia's history and present.